Is your microphone not working during your calls or recording sessions? If you're using a MacBook Neo for group projects or meetings, having no audio is a major setback, so let's get it fixed. First, click the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Navigate to Sound and select the Input tab. Ensure your intended microphone is selected from the list. You can also switch between the sources to check if it starts working or not. If your input volume is too low, your mic won't pick up sound, so slide it to the right as well. If that didn't help, you can try turning off Bluetooth to ensure your Mac isn't defaulting to a wireless source by mistake. If you're using an external USB mic, try unplugging and plugging it in. If the mic doesn't work in specific apps and browser, it's likely a permission issue. Go to Settings, from there to Privacy and Security, scroll down at the right-hand side options, then click on Microphone. Ensure the toggle is turned on for the specific app you are using. Some apps may need to be quit and restarted for this change to take effect. Talking about apps, don't forget that apps like Discord or Teams have their own internal audio input settings. Make sure the mic isn't muted in there. Also, during a call, look for the orange microphone icon in your menu bar. Click it and ensure your mic mode is set to standard rather than voice isolation, which can sometimes filter out your voice. You can also use Spotlight to search for audio MIDI setup. Select your mic and make sure it's set to the standard level, which is 48 Hz. Still no luck? Force quit any background apps that might be hijacking the microphone, and give your MacBook a quick restart. Finally, check for macOS software updates to resolve software glitches. Hopefully these steps got your MacBook Neo back in the conversation. Thanks for being with us.